Hi everyone. So I want to talk to you about the brightness of the screen for the Yaesu FT3D and some of the settings and what I've noticed so far. I'm in the car. Of course, there's shade inside here. Right now it's dim, the screen, but it's dim at level 1. That's very important. It's still backlit right now, and I'll tell you how to change those settings. So if we click and hold display, it takes you to this menu, and there's a display here menu. You can click on it. You can click on the screen, or you can use the wheel here. Let's go to the LCD dimmer. You can still use your finger here, and now it's at level 6. And now let's look at the different levels. Here's level. There's no level 0 apparently. There's level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6. It gives you an idea. And the shade here in the car. It's noticeable. I try to do the exposure on the camera to the best of my abilities, but you can see there's differences there. Okay, let's go back. And then let's go to lamp here. We can click on display or use your finger. Here we can see that we can click display here for the little arrow. Here you can see that we can have 0 seconds, right, in terms of how long should the display be backlit. Or actually that's 6. That's off there. Sorry about that. Off. 2 seconds. 3. That looks like a 3. 6, 10, 20, 30, 60, 120, 180, continuous. Oh, that's interesting. We'll do it in 10 for this demonstration. We're going to go back. And here, this is an interesting one. Here it says save. And click on display. Save. So right now it's off, which means after 10 seconds, it's going to have a backlit of 1. Okay, you can maybe sort of see it. I think you can see it a little bit. If you click on back here, let's click on display. The arrow's now on off. Let's go on. Let's go back. And then now it should have no backlit after 10 seconds. And now it's totally dark. Can't see anything. So let's test this very quickly. Let's go back. Let's go to lamp again. Let's go to click display. Let's click on off. Let's go back. We can press on the PTT button. So this is how you can see it in the shade. It's level 6. Now it's at level 1 after 10 seconds. And you can sort of see the numbers. Okay. Let's click on display. We can click on display again. That's kind of like an enter button for display. Lamp. Scroll down. Can't seem to use your fingers there. And then display. Let's turn that on. Back. PTT button. So we're going to wait 10 seconds. This is lit at 6 because we turned it on the save. Now it's really harder to read. It's not backlit to 1. Now why would you want that? Well, you probably want to do this so that you can put it in this under the sun. And you can see that's how the machine looks like when it's not backlit. 0 backlit. And contrast is not bad. A little bit hard to look at if there's any color to that or not. Okay, so that gives you of a bit of an idea of the kind of like brightness and contrast of the screen for the FT3.